welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Poonam. I make mostly videos about makeup, skincare and lifestyle. So in today's video I'm going to share my DIY night cream. It was an accidentally invention of my DIY night cream because in April month I think I was completely running out of my night creams, so I couldn't buy from some online store or also from some general store. So I thought and tried some skincare products and mix all of them and make a cream like consistency, which came out a very good night cream. And at first I was thought it's a temporary for 20 to 15 days like, and after using for more than 10 days I think I was just fall in love with that night cream, and now I have decided I will continue that night cream because it was so good. My skin was so soft and fresh whenever I see my skin in the morning after applying that night cream in the night. So I thought I should also share it with you so that you can also get benefited and you can also save your 400 or 500 approx whenever you get this much amount of some night creams. So I also made this much amount of my night cream in just rupees, you can say approximately 50. So it's a great deal and it's a great saving of your money, and you are investing very good things for your skin so that you can also get very good and soft and brighten skin to the morning. So now without any further ado, just directly fly to the video. First time, before starting my process, I will sanitize my hands properly. So I'm using this sanitizer for sanitizing my hand. So these were the two night creams I had. This is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. So this was a night cream from Plum, and this was a night cream from Himalaya Revitalizing Night Cream, and these both are my most favorite night creams. And as you can see, both are empty now, completely empty. So for my DIY night cream, I will use one of the boxes from this. So which one is cuter? So I will do my DIY night cream process and I will make that DIY night cream in this box. This is a complete glass container and this is quite good. So I'm using this green aloe vera gel for the base because I have combination of dry skin. Still I don't like that chip thing on my face because this is the weather where we get easily sweat on our face, and the season is changing, summers are coming. So I really like my skin to feel dry, not like a dry skin, but I don't like that chip thing in this season. That's why the base I'm creating with this aloe vera gel, this is not at all creamy and this will not create any kind of chip, and so that's why I like gel like consistency. So as I was using this Plum night cream, that was also a gel like consistency, so it was a smooth and very gentle on my skin, and it used to not cause any kind of chip on my face. So that's why I'm using this aloe vera gel. So I will use 2 tablespoons or 2.5. You can use this aloe vera gel for the base. So I think this is enough for my night cream. These are almost 3 tablespoons gel. And I will include this under eye cream in my night cream. This is Mamaearth under eye cream with cucumber and coffee, and it removes dark circles and any kind of spots on your face, and it can be also used as moisturizer also on your face. So that's why I'm including 2 or 3 pumps in my night cream. And it's also not that chip, but it is not completely as gel like consistency. Still it have a little bit of that stickiness. So I'm using half tablespoon of the amount of this cream. And for my night cream, essential oils are a must thing. So I use 2 or 3 type of essential oils for my night cream. Even when I use this Plum and Himalaya's night cream, I also include some type of essential oil in that night cream. So this is a DIY night cream, so how can I forget my essential oils? So I will use these 3 oils. This is rosemary from Good Vibes, and this is lemon oil from Good Vibes, and this is a lavender oil from Nykaa. This is for fragrance. I just love its fragrance. So let's mix these essential oils in my night cream. Just 4 to 5 drops in this quantity, because we are not gonna use it at once. We will use it over 15 to 20 days, this whole mixture. That's why I'm using 4 to 5 drops of each these essential oils. These essential oils are so beneficial for our skin. It reduce any kind of pigmentation, dark spots, and brighten our skin, and remove the patchiness and dryness from our skin. So I just included 4 to 5 drops of each of these oils in that mixture. So now the last thing, this vitamin E oil. How can I forget vitamin E oil when it comes to a skincare department? I mean, when it comes to our skincare, I cannot forget these vitamin E oils. So I think I should use 2, because for that amount of night cream I think 2 will be good, because I'm gonna use this whole mixture over 15 to 20 days. So this is the whole thing I have put in this container. So now I will mix all the ingredients very smoothly and will make a very smooth paste. Until then I will mix these all the things in this container. So for the mixing of these things I will use this earbud. So you can see it's become almost a night cream which I get in this container. So it's looking like as if this is original night cream of this Plum container or this Plum brand. Seriously, it's looking like it's original, because Plum's night cream is the same texture and same this greenish color. So I'm loving it, yeah. So yeah, my night cream is ready to apply, and I'm really very excited to apply this, and I will watch the result of this night cream so next morning. So this is my night cream. It's completely ready, you can see. So this is my skin after applying this night cream at the night time. So you can see my skin is looking very normal and not that sticky. So this is the morning face after using that night cream, and my skin is glowing and I just love this one. So yeah, it's a #1 successful, my night cream. So I hope you enjoyed watching this DIY night cream. So you can also make this night cream for yourself, your own DIY night cream. And I hope you have all of these products so you can make your own DIY night cream. So just save your money, and now we'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take care.